Hey, it's Robert from Theme Park Insider. We're at SeaWorld San Diego and we're riding Tidal Twister. What is this thing? Is it a roller coaster? Is it a flat ride? We're not really flat right now. Let's take a ride and find out.
All right, riders, for your safety and the safety of others, please keep your arms, legs, and feet inside the ride at all times. Now let's get ready to ride the tide and get twisted here on Tidal Twister.
And we're starting out backward. And forward. Building up a little momentum here. And over. Oh, oh, wow. Wasn't expecting that. Whoa. Oh, that's a little airtime. Pick up some speed now. Oh, more airtime on the top. Energy on the bottom. Alright, now we're slowing down a little bit. I don't think we're going to make it back up this time. So now we're going to do that gentle rock back into the station. Okay. So there we go. Tidal Twister. Maybe. Cool. Yeah, that was fun. Kind of like maybe a figure 8 Himalaya with some airtime and 0Z in it. I don't know, but whatever it is, it's certainly unique, and it's new this summer at SeaWorld in San Diego. So for Theme Park Insider, I'm Robert Niles. Thanks for watching.